Alright, so a YouTube video. We're back in Betsy. This is my first day here at the shop. Dad's been here. Oh God, I don't even know how long he's been here for. We got a problem getting up to the hill, obviously, so we're gonna do a little freight train run here in Bets. There's some trees down. Sorry about the video. Yeah, I'm trying to do two things at once. That's it. That's as far as she's gonna go. This is very difficult to move this stuff with this little truck, but we'll get it happen. We'll make it happen. Put on your ass, snowman. Cannot see. What a mess. Alright, I can't really do this and drive at the same time, so sorry guys.